Access clipboard history. So do you want to access clipboard history on computer? So here you can see I have 5 words. I copy apple, then I copy ball, and then I copy cat. So I copy 3 words. So I cannot paste every single word one by one. So I uh, copy 2 words, and I cannot paste apple because second time I copy ball. So that's the reason I cannot paste apple here. Here you can see again and again the ball is going to paste. So for example, I copy cat, then I cannot paste ball here. So because I already copy cat, so the system will paste a cat word. So how to paste previous word here? So this is so easy. You need to go to setting. Now click on here, start option, and click on setting, and then system option open. Now click on setting here, setting, and now scroll down, and here you can see clipboard. Now now enable this feature, clipboard history. Now enable this feature. Save multiple items to the clipboard to use later. Press the Windows logo key plus V to view your clipboard history and paste from it. So now enable this. Sense across device. If you want to enable this feature, this is optional. If you want to access your copy paste section in multiple device, you can enable this. And last option is clear clipboard data. If you want to clear copy paste data, you can clear. Now go to. So here you can see I am going to copy apple, and then copy ball, and then copy cat, and then copy dog, and then copy eagle eye. So here you can see I copy 5 words, 1 2 3 4 5. So how to see all single word? So you need to press window plus V button to see the everything. So here now click on window plus V. Here you can see a pop-up screen. Open my all word is showing here: eagle, dog, cat, ball, apple. Step by step all my previous clipboard copy paste word is showing here. You can see your all history, and you can copy paste your previous copy paste words. You can enabling clipboard history, you will not lose any word. For example, we mistakenly copy 2 word and first word is lost, but enabling clipboard history, you will not lose any word. Here you can see all of our history is showing here. You can copy paste all the word, control plus V. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helpful for you. Goodbye.